After a 17-year hiatus, the all-new Mustang Mach 1 fastback coupe makes its world premiere, becoming the modern pinnacle of style, handling, and 5.0-liter V8 pony car performance. The interior features a unique dark spindrift instrument panel with aluminum accents. Ebony seats with an accent stripe hint at Mach 1 heritage in cars equipped with a leather interior. Other interior upgrades include new door sill plates, an updated splash screen on the 12.3-inch all-LCD instrument cluster, a white cue ball shift knob, and engraved badging that displays the vehicle's unique chassis number. The all-new Mustang Mach 1 is set to become the most track-capable 5.0-liter Mustang ever, courtesy of a newly designed front end, plus Ford performance parts from Mustang, Shelby GT350, and Shelby GT500 models, and an available handling package for greater at-limit handling. Packing a specially calibrated 5.0-liter V8 engine that has a projected 480 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 420 foot-pounds of torque at 4,600 RPM, Mach 1 is a fitting celebration of a nameplate born more than 50 years ago.